Welcome to Olaf's Oldtimer. Well, surprisingly, Sweetness Heart had to convince me to come here. So we're on the Oldtimer Festival in Bleckede and we'll take a look. Just come along. I know, focus should be on Mercedes cars, but look at this brand new looking MGB GT in black and white. Also some nice Mercedes. I'd say the exhaust is not stuck. Sound makes you smile. Ford. Enough space in there. Two Mercedes convertibles. As expected, Bleckede, very well maintained. I think not as appreciated as they should be, but an early W124. A nice red interior. Well, a daily. And it's quite amazing. Because we're in northern Germany, how many US cars you find on these festivals. Of course, you find the beautiful Mercedes, but you find Caprices. I think that's a Lincoln. No, it's a Chevrolet. Look at this. Oh.
Das wäre ein Auto für mich.
Ja, die wird auch halten. Ich habe hier einen Freund, der wohnt hier in Altgarten. Der sammelt nur
Buicks, even an Edsel.
Wo ist er denn hier?
Ich weiß es nicht.
Hat er dich gesehen?
Der war unsere
Ford building a retractable hardtop. Seemingly hundreds of years before Mercedes came up with that idea with its SLK and later SL models. Sweetness Heart just said, "This looks like my old car." I wonder which one she meant. Alpha. Oh, that's super 1800. Now look at that. People leaving their kids in the car. Oh, but then there's an extra bench back here. Very nice. Opel Caravan. Super 1000. I think it's a Cadet in red. I like it. From the old 60s. W115, remembering me of Franz's car, which is in a way better condition, but if you look at the interior and the banana, it looks good. Dash, one crack only in brackets. Interesting color though. Ford Escort. Don't wonder about all these open spaces. It's late in the afternoon, we got a late start, so Many people already left. W201. Color looks familiar.
123 Diesel gibt es doch im Libanon mehr als in Deutschland.
We don't know what
In der
to say.
Türkei fahren die noch zu
Beautiful.
100.
Well, who would have thought that? Here it is, Mr. 30,000 clicks. Gernot. So, let's see what he has to say today. Moin.
Wie läuft's? Ja, wie viel haben wir inzwischen auf dem
30.000.
30?
30.000.
Ja, ich will ja demnächst, ich will dich demnächst nochmal anrufen, weil wir werden zu demnächst mal die Türen wechseln.
Ja?
Ich habe ihn jetzt 9 Jahre nicht laufen. Ich habe gesagt, den Zahn den mache ich vor, bevor ich ihn jetzt nochmal anschmeiße. Dementsprechend bearbeitet werden.
Und hast du schon was gemacht?
Nein, ich hatte wie gesagt einen kleinen Ausfall und daher bin ich noch nicht dazu
Mit dem
gekommen.
Mercedes oder bei dir?
Bei mir, ja.
Bei dir. Ja.
Ja, und daher bin ich gerade dabei, mich wieder quasi zurückzuentwickeln. Los! Aber und dann wird das Ganze vernietet.
To throw in an English word, show you current state of the car. It's like always, and Gernot just told me we're going to connect with him shortly because, as I understood, all doors are to be replaced. Car didn't change, daily driver. And you might call it a parts car, which it is. And they don't only have blue ones around here, also white, and the color was called white grey, if I remember correctly, as I had this car with the same interior. Should you ever need plastic clip, clamp, cover, this is your store. Another extremely nice W123. Already mop. Brand new interior. 230. And of course, let's take a look at the Citroën CX rake. Very rare. I think it's extremely rare in the US. Not sure if they were ever sold. But also extremely rare in Europe, maybe some more in France. Palace edition, so upper spec. I don't know if you can see the gauges. Analog. Very nice. But then you only have leather seating in the front. Something happened here. I like it. Happy dog. So Sweetness Heart just said some remarkable things. If he's right, this is a picture of peace. Men are sitting in the sun or in the shade. Nobody disturbing their thoughts. And then we were talking about this. What was it now? I think it was a Chevrolet. And I said, oh, I like it. I like the color. And it's green inside. And she said, yeah, I know. I touched it. I said, what? You touched it? Yes, I pushed down the leather seating. It's so smooth. I said, you can't touch the cars here. She said, but the window was open. Town car. So it is a Lincoln. So I was right in the beginning. And I'm sorry, I mixed it up. It's a Lincoln town car. And it's not a town car. I'm so stupid, sorry. Ask me something about Mercedes cars and not about US cars and Lincolns. It's a Lincoln Continental. Period. Not period. So what is it now? Here it says town car. Here it says Lincoln Continental. So it's a Lincoln Continental town car. I guess that's what it is. And a registered vehicle. I assume from June 74. Now isn't that a beautiful car? I'll tell you what, it is. And it is in fine driving condition. Need to inform you, well, I don't need to, but I do. I didn't change anything about the automatic transmission, slipping between 2 and 3 when the automatic is cold, and I didn't do anything about the vibration at high speeds. So this is the W126, its predecessor, the 116. Admittedly, a lot more beautiful and a lot better condition. Look at the paint. I would assume this is second paint. Chrome, it's amazing. Nice beige leather, automatic of course. This is beautiful. It's not only a 450 SEL, it is 6.9. So it's a very special car. Very special, very powerful. And if you want to see perfect shape Fuchsfelgen rims, look at this. It's amazing. Look at the cap. Look at these bolts. Wow. Now I don't know why this car seems so familiar with me, either because I've seen it every year on the Oldtimer Festival, or if this one is the one that is standing a couple streets from my home, outside every day. W114 280E, 280E, with green velour inside and 5-speed manual. So if that isn't rare, this is like, I think, a 74 model. So it's one of the latest, and it's just such a nice condition. So let's see what his turning circle is. That's the outside. Small car. I would have picked a different color, but that stays. Some wooden applications in the back. Alright. 280 SL. Don't ask me what that is. The Jaguar? Lotus? I don't know. It's a car. And in the background, you see very random, rare Fiat limousine. This one being a Peugeot 504, I think. Denk an die Umwelt, fahren mit dem Bus. Now you can even hear the sound. No, maybe not. It sounds nice, I can tell you that much. Matra Morena, 1982, and amazingly enough, 3 seats in the front and only seating row. Next to the green Simca 1301 for sale. So nice to see all these cars in superb condition. And those just being driven. And admittedly, I like those too. As you can see, everybody is leaving. We were a bit late. I guess we missed lots and lots of cars. Well, I think it's a nice and small meeting out here on the countryside. Our car got a bit company from a W201 in the same or almost same blue color. And with this said, I guess that's it for today. So, hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.